Hi, my name is Arisa. For this season's nights and weekends, I was building a network vulnerability assessment tool. I call it Neutrino, and it's a tool that lets you find the vulnerabilities on your network before hackers do. It works. First, you have to download Nmap on your system. Then you get the script and run it. When you run the script, you input your IP address or host name. Then you get the number of open ports on your network. After that, you grant Nmap the permission to, run some commands. After Nmap runs its commands, you get a list of vulnerabilities and their CVSS score that are available on your network. For demo purposes, I use scanme.nmap.org. It won't return anything because no services are running on it. But when you scan a real IP address or host name, you get something like this. I put my tool out there in some communities and group chats and all, but I didn't really get much people to use it. But I did get someone to use it, and I got really valuable feedback on my tool. Well, I'm going to continue making it better, and who knows, someday it may become an EDR software. Thank you.